Save it. Okay, once you save it, let me verify it. So how you have here, let me create a new folder here, okay. Give it as a rest. Connection info. Okay, under that, let me paste it all the document. Like ServiceNow JSON. What I am preparing. And this is your new service, Postman Collection. By seeing the name Postman Collection right, you can easily get to know this is for the postman, okay. So REST connector guide is not required. This is not REST, it was service. ServiceNow OK. And enter. Okay, so after doing this right. Now what? What you can do? Come back. Yes, keep in the editor. So we are trying to pass the URL right. Simply, today I will be preparing the connection JSON. Okay, and once I prepare the connection JSON and we will, like you know, so later class or tomorrow, we will see how we can do the end-to-end testing. So the folder name. Something new name, I can write which one. This one okay. So copy the connection URL from here. And replace it with your URL. Okay, once you do that. See HTTP params. Basically what it is asking for you in the HTTP params. So basically, HTTP params is nothing but your body parameter. What you are trying to send it right, HTTP params means your body. And HTTP headers, right, it is your header parameter. So in the connection, if you try to send any information in your body, that will be called as a HTTP params. So we are passing grant type. Okay, copy the grant type. Okay, so grant type is already there for us. Write password grant type. Scope, user client ID. Client secret. So this information is there right and username is there. So first what I am passing, grant type. Okay, grant type is password for us. Copy this grant type in the any order you can pass, not an issue. So it is already there. Password, okay, leave it like that. And username is admin. So let me copy the username okay. Pass the username here. Okay, and password. What password they have given? Copy this password. So remove the dummy password, then client ID. What is my client ID? I am doing here, copy the client ID. Copy the client ID. Okay. Now paste it here. After you do client ID, do a client secret. Okay, copy the client secret. So all this HTTP parameter, you have to pass it here. Okay. So now I think we gave all the information, client ID, client secret, okay grant type. Grant type. We are giving right password. Grant type is there. I believe already I passed. Grant type, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So extra what we are passing, scope, okay. User account. So that is for as per the document. Okay, so leave it like that. Then come back to HTTP header. Are you passing anything? HTTP header, no, right. So here what they are trying to passing. HTTP header this value. You can either delete it or keep it like that, okay. So, once you scroll down, what other information you are passing? We are passing 1, nothing else, right, but this is trying to generate access token for us. So for that, what things it required? Actually, right, I need to pass the access token bearer and ABCD. Here I will type what is ABCD mean, because when the connectivity will happen right, it will try to. First grab this dummy token ABCD. Okay, but this ABCD will not be there right, so that the connection first it will fail, okay. The phone connection. First it will fail, then after it will go to max refresh, try count, it will become 1. Once it become 1, then it will jump to your section, right. It will hit this URL again. And it will try to pass all the HTTP parameter to again try after that. Right, it will pass all this information and then it will try to again come back to your right. You know retry. Right, it will do a retry. So where the retry is again right or the token type, it is bearer, basically okay, and it will try to generate new token for us, simply if you pass this information also. Right, let me pass this information to my connection. So what I can do now, go to your Saviynt right. Go to your Saviynt window. This one. So let me log into my Saviynt now. 192 OK. Log in it. Now let me prepare the connection OK. Go ahead. Click on this 3.identity repository. Click on connection. Action, create a connection. OK, here give the connection name as ServiceNow. ServiceNow_demo. Connection description. You can pass OK. And URL right. What URL I need to pass? OK, the connection type it should be REST for us or service. Now is not there by default, I believe. It is there, but SOAP is there, so we have to choose the connectivity as a REST OK. Choose the REST connector here. Once you choose the REST connector. So see it is asking the connection JSON. So what you copied here, OK, put it here in the connection JSON. 1, OK. Before that, we need to validate whatever we are passing. Is it correct or not? So copy everything here. Go back to your Chrome, type here, JSON validator, OK. JSON validator OK. And hit enter. So in the first link and here paste your JSON. What you prepared. OK, and click on the validation. See, the validation is JSON. Let me try to put a comma here. Now, if I do validation, see the validation failed. OK, it said in this line there is a comma extra. OK, when the end will happen, There should not be any comma here. It is a comma because there is another line comma, but line end means there should not be any comma.